if we are taking the development of a baby, normally we see on 4 fronts. One is the gross motor milestones. What do we mean by gross motor milestones? It is the capacity of the baby to hold their head straight, and the capacity of the baby to roll over and then pull up to sitting posture, and then pulling up to standing posture, and then walking with a few steps forward and then starting to run. These are the gross motor milestones. When the baby is hungry, the baby is able to cry out and indicate and express the need for milk. So this is the facial development, facial muscle development. Then what happens, the baby's neck muscles come under control, and the neck muscles are responsible for making the head stand on the body. So this neck muscles will help the baby in holding the head over the body, and the baby is happily able to move around, pivot over the cervical column, especially when we are holding the baby on the shoulder. Having developed head control, now the baby's back muscles will start developing. Back and the trunk muscles start developing together. So that is when the baby is capable of rolling over. So initially what happens, the baby is capable of actually straightening itself from a prone position. When the baby is put to lie down on the belly, the baby will be able to straighten himself or herself. Then the next milestone, which would be followed within a very short period, is turning over from the straight position to the sidewards and then into the rolling over. Once this is going on, the baby will have to learn to pull the arm from under the body and clear its way so that it has a comfortable landing on the belly. So that is when the baby starts holding its weight on the forearms. Initially they have their weight supported on the forearm, and gradually they would be able to support the entire body weight on just the 2 palms of the hands. So when they are capable of doing that, that is the time they would be able to lift their pelvic girdle from the bottom of the bed, or even on the floor if we are allowing the babies to lie down on the floor. So when the pelvis is lifted, that is when the thigh muscles also act, and the baby will be able to pull their leg in such a way that they can put their leg forward and start taking the initial steps of crawling. When we are saying that a particular baby is crawling, we expect the milestone to happen around within a particular range of months. It is not that there is a strict criteria. By 7 months the baby should be crawling, 9 months the baby should be standing. It is not like that. We have an age range. So some babies would start crawling around 7 months, some babies would start crawling even at 9 months. So if the baby is capable of supporting the body weight on palms at 9 months, then we are assured that the baby is going to do the next few steps to crawl within probably another month's time. So what happens is, these changes, though they are gross milestones, these are associated with minute changes as well. So the baby will have fine motor development as well as adaptive development as well as social development and language development. So now it is essential that we understand that the gross motor milestones are crucial for us to know whether the baby is having normal muscular development. So please do not compare your baby with another baby, and it is necessary that we have to be happy with what we are seeing, learning from the pediatrician how normal the baby is developing.